Welcome back to 6.2. So this is where you get to choose your post type, whether you want to backfill in the arch and the shape of that backfill. So post type, as opposed to post material, is whether you want it full width across the whole back of the rear foot, or a variation of any or all. Okay, quarter, medial, anterior, essentially sectioning off where we want it, like a pie diagram, which will give you ultimate control, and it will change the thickness of the printed device. Okay, we do other variations called little tripod dots, quite handy, and also to look out for here is the ribbed one, where you'll see a shape of those. We'll try and get a picture of these online, and also in the welcome pack as you get them. That's post type. So backfill is essentially what material you want under the material that you've chosen for your shell. Mostly for looks, I guess. It doesn't really add too much to the force return properties of the device. Possibly help you fit it snugly to a shoe, and whether you want that just plainly glued on or printed on eventually to the same thickness as it comes, or you want it shaped, which will just give that kind of medial or lateral grind to let it fit snugly into the shoe. Again, all the details that you need to provide in the internal shape of the shoe at this stage will have to be as a written document, but we're looking at how to scan those in the future. So that's post type, okay, arch backfill, and then shape of that backfill, how you want it ground. I'll see you in the next one.